Introducing the WashBots from Connecticut company Bitamec International, a group of mobile washing systems designed for washing any vehicle or trailer with amazing speed. The Bitamec 626 Easy High Roof Fan Washing Machine provides stingy water usage and endless washing muscle at the touch of a button. With its extreme portability, this washer on wheels can be used indoors or outdoors at the customer's location. The 626EZ includes a variable height of 8 to 15 feet and a vertical row of individually selected wash nozzles. This allows the machine to be perfectly adjusted for washing cars, SUVs, and vans up to 9 feet 2 inches tall. Operating on its rechargeable battery, the 626EZ can detail up to 30 vehicles on a single charge. For washing RVs, campers, trucks, or trailers, the A225EZ includes a taller brush and wash cylinder with a longer row of nozzles. Available with electric start and a gasoline or a diesel engine, this WashBot can clean vehicles up to 13 feet 6 inches high. While you could always do it the old-fashioned way like these guys, the Bitamec WashBots clean your vehicles faster, better, and much more economically. Check out the CMAR MFH 5500 Rail Track and Tramway Cleaner from Australian company Enviropath. Built to fit within the narrow passages common to urban environments, the MFH 5500 is equipped to perform several important rail maintenance requirements. This amazing machine is tasked with rail groove scraping, high-pressure rail cleaning, and the scrubbing of the rail driving surface. As the MFH 5500 moves forward, dual trolley systems use a scraper to clean each groove. Positioned just behind the scrapers, high-pressure water jets clean away any remaining debris. The debris and excess water is removed by two powerful suction systems, reduce dust discharge, fuel usage, water consumption, and noise levels. The trolley are retracted for cleaning the rail driving surface, which is performed by forward and side position finishing brushes. Capable of sweeping debris from both concrete and grass, the brushes have an effective range of between 2 and 2.5 meters. Guaranteeing proper railcar wheel adhesion and preventing premature rail wear, the CMAR MFH 5500 is an incredibly valuable asset to any urban maintenance team. This massive ocean-going object is the System 001 from the Ocean Cleanup Project, an unbelievable floating debris catcher that researchers hope will clean up huge amounts of plastic from the ocean. Located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, an area of floating plastic debris known as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch has been steadily growing since the 1950s. Currently, the patch covers a staggering 1.6 million square kilometers, or roughly 3 times the size of France. Now, after years of development, the team at the Ocean Cleanup Project has created the System 001, a 600-meter-long tubular-shaped floater with an attached 3-meter-deep tapered skirt. Now on location at the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, this miraculous feat of technological engineering has the potential to capture half of the plastic within this area in just 5 years. The System 001 uses the natural forces of wind and ocean currents to capture the debris within its U-shaped profile and tapered screen. Every few months, an accompanying vessel removes the captured refuse for recycling back on shore. Proven viable during tests and sea trials, the System 001 could finally offer a real solution to this decades-old problem. Check out the carpet washing machines from the Safran, Garmac, and Olmo companies. Manufacturers of an entire line of powerful carpet washers, Turkish company Safran has washing carpets down to an exact science. First, the carpet is run through a dust removal machine like the CRF 2100. Next, it's onto a washer like the CTC 2300S. Compressing the carpet between powerful metal rollers, this machine employs a row of round rotating brushes coupled to pressurized soap dispensers. Moving back and forth over the carpet as it's fed through the machine, these brushes clean the carpet's fibers down to the surface mat. Next, a rinsing agent is applied as a trio of rinse brushes scrub away the soap. Finally, the carpet is placed into one of Safran's spin and dry machines. Though spinning at an incredible rate, this machine is amazingly vibration-free. Also made in Turkey, the Garmac automatic carpet washer uses a comprehensive process that leaves carpets looking showroom new. Soap and water are applied as the carpet enters the machine, followed by a serious scrubbing from 2 rows of powerful spinning brushes. After a rinse cycle, rollers press out the excess water, and the carpet is sent to a spin dryer. With Turkish company Olmos OLM 300 also vying for a share of the pie, it looks like Turkey leads the world for manufacturing giant carpet washing machines. This is the ECCOPIA E4, an innovative robotic solar panel cleaning system designed to increase solar panel efficiency while saving precious water resources. With millions of solar panels being erected in the world's harshest, most arid areas, the dust and sand that accumulates on these panels causes up to 35% drop in solar efficiency. 2 liters of water would be required to clean each panel, making water cleaning completely impractical. Fortunately, there is a solution. Consisting of a fleet of autonomous panel cleaning robots, the ECCOPIA E4 can clean every panel without using a single drop of water. Instead of using up our precious water supply, the ECCOPIA E4 cleaning robots are equipped with powerful rotating microfiber brushes and a unique airflow system that clean the panels without damaging their vital surfaces. The ECCOPIA E4 is currently being used at such large-scale solar farms as India's Badla Park and Israel's Keturah Sun Solar Park, as well as many other locations in India and the Middle East. Including systems that allow remote monitoring and management from anywhere in the world, these amazing automations are working hard to keep millions of solar panels producing at their peak rates 365 days a year. Introducing the heavy-duty engine and automotive parts washers from Italian company Tecnox. Engineered for maximum effectiveness, the powerful machines are designed to clean the stubborn rust, grease, and grime from engine blocks, shock absorbers, and a host of small auto parts. Able to clean the hard-to-reach areas manual cleaning can't, Tecnox washers make whatever goes in emerge looking brand spanking new. For washing entire engine blocks, the Tecnox K100 has virtually no equal. First, the engine is lowered into a solution containing a special chemical, then covered and washed at 80 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. When it emerges, well, see for yourself. The Tecnox tunnel for shock absorbers is a tunnel washing system able to wash up to 120 parts per hour. The shocks are mounted on special brackets and run through the machine on a conveyor system. Once inside the machine, high-pressure nozzles spray the parts with soap and degreasing agents. Another Tecnox tunnel conveyor system is the Tecnox tunnel for automotive parts. Also effective for cast iron components, the parts are mounted onto the conveyor and slid straight into the wash area. While we're not shown what goes on inside, each part emerges from the tunnel spotlessly clean. The parts are then swung around and conveyed back to the front for removal. Together with the company's many other amazing industrial washers, these incredible machines do the job human hands just can't match. Check out the amazing Fleet Plow snow removal machines from Pennsylvania company Scraper Systems. Hailed as North America's #1 snow removal machines for trucks and buses, Fleet Plows do the job more safely and effectively than any other method. And if you're wondering why removing snow from the roof even matters, well, it's actually pretty important, especially if you want to avoid something like this. To use the Fleet Plow, the driver positions the front of the trailer just beneath the snow blade. After initiating the system using the activator located in the control box, the plow blade is lowered into place on the trailer's roof. The adjustable chain hoist is used to set the plow's height from 9 to 15 feet. As the driver rolls forward and the snow is slowly being pushed away, the AccuGuide system keeps the rubber plow blade in perfect contact with the roof. Scraper Systems manufactures several portable and base-mounted fleet plows for trucks, as well as various other models for buses. So, if you don't want this to happen, get a fleet plow from Scraper Systems and drive safely. This is the ISTOBAL Heavy Wash, an automatic tram and train washing system from global company ISTOBAL Vehicle and Wash Care. If you've ever wondered how trains are washed, they're actually run through an automatic machine just like your car. Equipped with a variety of preset wash programs, the ISTOBAL Heavy Wash can be adapted for practically all sizes and shapes of trains or trams. Similar to, but longer than automatic car wash tunnels, the Heavy Wash passes the vehicle through various modules until it's as clean as a whistle. While some stages require the vehicle to stop, others require movement along the track at 3 to 5 miles per hour. First, water is applied to remove solid particles from the body. Detergent is then added while the machine's massive brushes scrub the front, sides, and top. Rinsing comes last, and the train or tram is sent on its way. The Heavy Wash can be configured to perform the wash inside or outside the tunnel, and sometimes a little of both. While we can't ride through the ISTOBAL Heavy Wash like we do our car washes, they're still really awesome. We've shown you how ISTOBAL gets trains and trams spotlessly clean, but they're pretty good at trucks and buses too. And as it turns out, they figured out just about every conceivable way to do it. For a quick, thorough brushless cleaning, the HP rocker panel blasts away dirt and grime with ease. As this powerful mechanism moves over and around the vehicle, the HP rocker panel moves quickly to the left and right while blasting powerful jets of high-pressure soap and water in an up and down motion. Urban buses can be kept clean at all times with the mighty HW Drive 3. This outdoor fast wash sprays water and cleaning solution from above and from the sides, while tall vertical rotating brushes remove the dirt. Similar to the Drive 3, the HW Express has the solution for buses on an even tighter schedule. The HW Rotator system is designed for trucks that love playing in the dirt. Its powerful rotating high-pressure jets can remove even the toughest caked-on mud, grease, and dirt. In fact, about the only vehicles ISTOBAL doesn't wash are rocket ships. But who knows? They might be working on that, too. Meet the Mr. Trash Wheel, an adorably designed solar and water wheel-powered vessel that removes trash from the Inner Harbor in Baltimore, Maryland. The Mr. Trash Wheel collects the trash from the city's streets that has entered the harbor through the city's storm drains. In an attempt to raise environmental awareness within the city, the Mr. Trash Wheel has been given its kid-friendly name and eye-catching appearance. The Mr. Trash Wheel captures trash from the harbor by deploying a V-shaped flotation system. This pulls the trash onto a conveyor, where it is sent to a rear-position dumpster. On its very first day of operation in May of 2014, the Mr. Trash Wheel captured an astounding 11 tons of refuse from the harbor. But it wasn't until 2015 that the device took on its distinctive googly eyes and now famous persona. Not long ago, the Mr. Trash Wheel has, given birth to thousands of cute Mr. Trash Wheel plushie dolls, which can be adopted for a small donation. In 2016, the Mr. Trash Wheel ate his 1 millionth pound of trash. Now that's a mouthful. Nice going.